Hey, it's Joel. It's time. It's time once again for another edition of Fan Mail Friday. Hey, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long. Had to prepare for some stuff. Had to go to MRF, the Midwest Rep Rap Festival, and then now everything is in shambles because my editor, Sean, his job, it kind of disappeared where he lived in Michigan. He called me on the phone and he said, Joel, my job went away. And I said, ooh. And he goes, ooh. And then we're like, ooh. And yeah, he'll be out here in a few days. He's moving to Seattle. We're going to film more stuff and generate more content. And hopefully that means more stuff here on the Technically Nerdy channel. Plus, I hope it means a lot more really awesome content on the main channel, 3D Printing Nerd. So, just so you know, any of those Patreon dollars, the joining memberships on YouTube, and going through the website, going that way, I'm thankful for all the support that happens there. But that will also now pay for my first employee. Yeah, okay. Enough of that. Why don't we get down to business and open up the first box right here that I've already opened. Normally, I don't try to do corporate promotion here on Fan Mail Friday. It's fan service. It's a fan video. I don't want to do that. But this company, this was the first time they've shipped to the US, and I thought it was worthy of something. This is Nephila Tech. Nephila Tech. They make a HIPS product. They emailed me and said, could we send it to you? And I said, sure. And then they emailed me again and said, can you let us know if it made it okay? Because this is the first time we've shipped something to the US. And it made it okay. It's a sample. It's kind of sealed in a bag. There is some desiccant in there. Isn't there? I don't know. But here's the cool part. All of the literature, I believe, is in a language I don't know. And not only did they send the HIPS material, they sent a master spool. So their design, their idea, their version of the master spool, presumably maybe printed in their HIPS material. Let's see. There it is. That's cool. That's really cool. So a big thanks. So NetFilatek, thanks for your HIPS material. If I get the chance to give it a try, I will. I really like that you shipped it with a master spool, a 3D printed master spool, and I can only imagine it's with the same material you sent me, so thank you. This next package is from a Brian. It's already been opened because sometimes things arrive at my coffee shop, which is where my fan mail goes, and they want to see what's in it. And so I show them. Let's see. Ooh, okay. These are any coin. Look at that. They say any coin on them. And these are coin slot mechanisms. So you can put a coin in the top and it goes and it falls through to the bottom. There is a bit of a note. Hey Joel, love your YouTube channel. Thank you. I know you have at least one arcade game. It's pinball. It's Star Wars and it's right over there. Thought I would send you something I designed. A 3D print and sell arcade games, the Coin Mech. It allows you to replace your existing Coin Mechs with a Coin Mech that will allow you to use any type of coin you want in your games. Not looking for a plug or anything, just thought you might enjoy them. I will enjoy them. Oh, and here's the links. Let's see. Oh, a history of why you designed it. It's right here. And then the website. I'll put that in the description. Keep up the great work on the videos, Brian King. Big thanks for these, Brian. Boy, my pinball machine, it's a 1992 Data East Star Wars pinball machine at MRF. Ben Heck was actually giving me some tips on how I can fix the bumpers. This is an interesting idea. I'm going to talk with my buddy James, JC Print and Play. He's the one that did the 3D printed arcade game at MRF, and this might be of interest to him as well. So, thank you, Brian. Next up, we're going to go with this box from an Ant 3D printing. Ant 3D printing. Let's hope it's not a box full of ants. Or it's not a school for ants. Ooh, inside. Wow, we got stuff. Wow, we got a lot of stuff. Let's unpack this. We've got a letter. We've got a self-addressed stamped envelope. Oh, and a baggie of things. Ooh. 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 along with this, holy cow, along with this baggie, 25 US dollars. And 3D printing, some stickers, some of that. Let's dive into the letter. Hi, Joel. Thank you for your amazing content. Your videos have inspired and educated us at the same time. A little over a year ago, I stumbled into 3D printing community. My first machine was an inexpensive Anycubic Prusa i3 clone that I eventually killed while printing nylon carbon fiber. Haven't we all? Fast forward to today, I have a handful of excellent top-of-the-line 3D machines. My passion of 3D printing turned from a hobby into a full-time job. My girlfriend and I worked tirelessly to turn this small thing into a professional business, with the goal of providing fair-priced printing for people who don't have space or cannot afford a high-end 3D printer. Oh, cool. Let's see. Right now, we have a small garage-based shop and are printing for customers. While at the same time making some of our own products. And these pens were printed with Formlab's standard white resin on the Form 2, and they hope I enjoy them. Hey, look at that. That's a good-looking pen. That is a... Oh, and it says 3D printing nerd on it. Oh, that's fantastic. Let's see. Do I turn... Oh, I turn it. Okay. Wow, these are good. These are good pens. And I got some stickers and I got business cards. I'll put a link down to their company down below. But an envelope is here. There is cash. Let's get down to business. Let's take care of business. First things first. The letter is signed, happy printing, Alec. Well, Alec, thank you for the donation. Thank you for the wonderful items. Alec, you get stickers. We've got time for one more, and it's going to be this one. This one right here. This is from Matthew, and it says, special handling, fragile. That's exciting. Special handling, fragile. I will carefully use my Evan and Caitlin knife to carve it open. Let's see what's on the inside. We've got... Okay. There it went. We've got ourselves... We have an envelope. Some of it's kind of, oh, sticky. Let's see. Okay. It's a horror show in here. Stuff is stuck to other stuff. Let's see if I can't get it out. Wonderful. Oh my goodness. I've got 1, 2, 3 different self-addressed stamped envelopes. I think there's some tomfoolery going on around here. Let's see. This is addressed to me, Joel, 3DPN. It's me. And inside, we have a note. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dear Joel, 3DPN, hello! We are young businessmen, well actually kids, ages 10 to 13. Our team is starting young and helping deliver the technology of 3D printing. We are looking for some funding to jumpstart out business because, well, we can't take out a business loan. Thanks for checking us out. Matthew, chairman of the board. Matthew, you spelled board wrong. If you're starting a business, you need to run things through spell check. If you could please send around 7 to 10 stickers for my whole team if you wish to support us, check us out at this GoFundMe link. No need, though, have any advice for us. Thanks a bunch, Matthew. Please show in video. And remember, thanks so much for reading this. And as always, hug each other more. I love you. High five. That's fantastic. Matthew, I'm running into a bit of a conundrum here because the stickers themselves are for people who choose to donate to Seattle Children's Hospital. It's always been a policy that if you send $1 in a self-addressed stamped envelope, you can have a sticker. You've sent me 3 envelopes. You've sent me no dollars. You've included a GoFundMe link to start your business. I understand that your kids age 10 to 13, and it's always incredibly important for young people to begin their journey, but you're asking for a lot. I understand you can't take out a business loan. I understand what you're trying to do in advertising your business. I totally get that, and I admire your desire to make something work like this, but it's against my personal policy to advertise GoFundMes here. I'm just not able to do that, because if I allow one GoFundMe, then I need to allow all of the GoFundMes. So I'm not going to advertise your GoFundMe for this. However, let's see. You don't list your business name anywhere. No, there's no business name listed. So I'll tell you what, I will cut you a deal, as I want to empower you with whatever you've sent me. I cannot advertise your GoFundMe. I can wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you can grow into a business at a young age. I think it's very exciting. Once you've gotten yourself established, why don't you reach out and make contact with me? I figure that's pretty fair. As for these envelopes, I'll throw you a bone. Matthew, you've given me 3 envelopes. I have 3 stickers available. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pass along these 3 stickers to you, 1 per envelope, and I wish you the best of luck. So Matthew, you and your young entrepreneurs, you've got stickers. Well, a big thanks for everybody that sent something in. We're gonna save these for the next Fan Mail Friday. It's time to put the Evan and Caitlin knife away, and to thank you for your support. If you'd like to send anything in, it is by no means required, but the address is down in the description of every video we make here. Normally, go ahead and check me out on 3D Printing Nerd, the other channel, the main channel. This channel will see more content, but in the meantime, if you like 3D printing, go visit me on 3D Printing Nerd. Be awesome, do well. I love you all. As always, high five.